Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Capcut template not showing in TikTok, iPhone, iPad issue solved. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply tap on it, TikTok app. Not showing Capcut template. Now tap on search bar and search Capcut template. New template. Tap it. Now tap on user. And follow 10 to 20 username and close all apps and again check your issue. Check your issue. And after this go back. Your problem will be fixed. And after this step your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.